Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nandan, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Subject Introduction to Civil Engineering. Topic Sound and Temperature Control in Buildings. Optimizing comfort, sound, and temperature control in buildings. Introduction. In this presentation, we will explore strategies for optimizing comfort in buildings through effective sound and temperature control. We will discuss the impact of these factors on occupant well-being and productivity as well as latest technologies and design approaches. Let's dive in. Understanding comfort. Comfort in indoor spaces is influenced by factors such as temperature, humidity, and noise levels. Achieving the ideal balance of these elements is essential for creating a pleasant and productive environment. Understanding occupant disturbances and physiological responses in cultural process. Effective sound control involves the use of materials with high absorption properties, strategic placement, sound absorption, integration of sound making systems. These strategies help minimize noise disturbances and create a more peaceful indoor environment. Temperature regulation techniques. Optimizing temperature and efficient HVAC systems, proper insulation, use of smart thermostats. By maintaining a consistent and comfortable temperature, occupants can enjoy a more pleasant and productive work environment. Technological innovations, advancements in building automation and IoT technology have both revolutionized sound and temperature control in smart houses, predictive analysis, and automated HVAC systems enable real-time adjustments to create optimal indoor enhancing occupant well-being. J. Biophilic design integration. Incorporating biophilic techniques such as natural elements, greenery, and access to natural light can positively impact the comfort. These elements contribute to camping and conservative environment, promoting overall occupant wellness and satisfaction. Optimizing sound and temperature control directly influences occupant well-being. A comfortable and quiet environment supports executive performance, reduces stress, and enhances overall satisfaction. Prioritizing these factors is essential for creating a healthy and productive space. Productivity impact. The impact of sound and temperature control productivity is significant. Creating a comfortable and quiet environment, organized experience, improved high focus, creativity, and task performance. These factors contribute to overall less efficiency and success. Cost-effective solutions. Implementing sound and temperature control measures not only enhances occupant comfort, also cost-effective benefits, energy efficient HVAC systems, sustainable materials, and strategic design approach contribute to long-term savings and environmental sustainability. The future of sound and temperature control buildings is marked by advancements in all AI-powered systems, adaptive buildings designs, and personalized comfort solutions. These trends aim to further enhance occupant well-being and satisfaction while prioritizing sustainability and efficiency. Best practices. Incorporating best practices for sound and temperature control, such as regular maintenance of HVAC systems, strategic placement of sound absorbing materials, and occupant feedback mechanisms is crucial for achieving and maintaining an optimal indoor environment. These practices contribute to long-term comfort and satisfaction. Best practices incorporating best practices for sound and temperature control, such as regular maintenance of HVAC systems, strategic placement of sound absorbing materials, crucial for achieving and maintaining an optimal indoor environment. These practices contribute to comfort and satisfaction. ಮುಚ್ಚೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದಿ